Introducing the Suzuki AX4, a lightweight, user-friendly motorcycle incorporating the latest Japanese technology and powered by a newly designed, fuel-efficient 4-stroke engine.
より多くのお客様にご使用いただくため、お客様にとって扱いやすく経済的なコミューターを目指しています。新開発の低燃費4サイクルエンジンをはじめ、中低速域を重視した扱いやすいエンジン特性、リアキャリア、シーソー型ギアシフトレバーなど日常の使用で便利な機能を備えています。中低速域を重視したエンジン出力特性に加えて、4速トランスミッションを採用することでギアチェンジの頻度を減らしています。また、オートデコンポを採用してエンジン始動時の操作力を軽減しています。
生産は中国で行っていますが、品質検査は日本のスズキで実施しています。気圧や気温、湿度、路面状況、使用する速度域など、お客様の使用環境が異なるため、全く同じ基準で検査しているわけではありません。しかしながら、スズキ AX4 の使用実態に合わせた検査基準を設けており、逆にはやぶさなどでは実施していないような独自の検査基準も設けています。
どの国へ持って行っても、ベーシックモデルとなるようにグローバルスタンダードなデザインと、程よい新規性というのを意識してデザインしました。また、初心者から乗り換えユーザーまで、それから若者からご年配まで広範囲なターゲットユーザーを視野に、入れるために、誰からも受け入れやすいっていう親しみやすさと、オリジナリティの同居を、意識しました。
ではまず色についてなんですけれども、市場的には定番な色が受けるというふうに判断しましたので、定番の4色、レッド、ブルー、グレイ、ブラックの4色を選びました。でさらに近年欧米では、流行色となりすでに定番色となりつつあるホワイトを新しく入れることで、新しさを出しました。で色の雰囲気についてなんですけれども、できるだけニューモデルということで造形のその立体感というものが際立たされるような色を選びました。でそうするにはハイライトはハイライトでバッと光が強く出て、でシェードは暗いところがガッと暗く出る、つまりメタリックでその立体感がすごく強く出るような色というものを、できるだけ選びました。
The newly designed lightweight and compact 4-stroke engine has been developed in pursuit of ease of use and good fuel consumption. Its economical performance is achieved with a design emphasis on high combustion efficiency and reduction of mechanical losses. The valve spring wire diameter is a small 2.7 millimeters. Use of the small diameter valve spring wire results in reduction of spring loading. This contributes to reduction of mechanical losses while maintaining high durability. The intake and exhaust valve diameters are a small 24 and 21 millimeters respectively. Use of small diameter valves makes for higher fuel-air mixture flow velocity at low to mid RPM, which heightens combustion efficiency. Intake and exhaust valve angles are a narrow 24 degrees and 26 degrees respectively. Use of narrow valve angles makes for a compact combustion chamber, which makes it possible to maintain a high compression ratio, thus heightening combustion efficiency. Bore and stroke figures are 51 and 55.2 millimeters for an engine displacement of 113 cubic centimeters. The long stroke design, chosen with emphasis on low to mid-range engine output, contributes to a more fuel-efficient operation. Use of a digital DC CDI makes for a more optimized ignition timing and contributes to a more fuel-efficient operation. The air cleaner box capacity is a big 3 liters. The large size air cleaner results in more airflow to the carburetor. The vertical cylinder layout allowed the intake airflow to be straight, contributing to efficient charging of fuel-air mixture. The distance between the carburetor and the cylinder head is shortened by extending the outlet tube. The right amount of fresh air for obtaining the proper fuel-air mixture ratio can be quickly delivered to the combustion chamber by shortening the distance between the carburetor and the cylinder head. This contributes to heightened low to mid RPM power. The Suzuki AX4 uses a BS-type carburetor. With a BS carburetor, the throttle valve is opened and closed by the rider's throttle operation, and the venturi piston is pushed up and down in accordance with the resulting changes in intake vacuum. The BS carburetor delivers the proper fuel-air mixture ratio even during sudden throttle operation, contributing to heightened combustion efficiency. The BS carburetor also contributes to smooth acceleration at the moment of sudden throttle operation. A metal honeycomb catalyzer further cuts down on carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons emissions. The oxidation catalyzer uses the precious metals platinum and rhodium for oxidizing carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons into carbon dioxide and water. The catalyzer also features a honeycomb structure which allows exhaust efficiency losses to be minimized while maintaining ample catalytic function. The Suzuki PAIR Pulse Secondary Air Injection System contributes to the reduction of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons by injecting fresh air from the air cleaner box into the unburned exhaust gases flowing into the exhaust port. The Suzuki PAIR system ignites unburned combustion mixture contained in the exhaust gases in the exhaust port. Fresh air with high oxygen content is fed into the high-temperature exhaust port, by which unburned gases in the exhaust is ignited, thereby reducing environmental emissions such as carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. The user-friendly 4-speed transmission helps transmit the engine power as a wide and accessible power band. A 4-speed design makes for less gear shifts, contributing to ease of operation, especially during jammed city rides. Automatic decompression adds to ease of operation. A simple and reliable centrifugal cam inside the camshaft keeps the exhaust valve slightly opened when the engine is not turning, to reduce the pressure of the air compressed by the rising piston. As a result, the rider can start the engine with less effort using the kickstarter. The newly designed frame is of the cradle-type design, in some ways the ideal frame type that wraps around the engine. The new frame is the basis for the AX4's comfortable everyday handling feel and robust durability. A caster angle of 27 degrees and a trail of 80 millimeters, a wheelbase of 1,215 millimeters. These measurements were chosen to deliver a combination of a smooth handling feel and comfortable straight line running. Even though the AX4 is a backbone type, the tire sizes are front 2.50 17, rear 2.75 17, which help deliver an agile, casual riding impression. The low seat height facilitates the rider's leg reach to the ground. Suzuki quality, which has passed tests of the Suzuki standards. Every Suzuki product built and marketed around the world is brought over to be tested at the Suzuki testing facilities in Japan. Suzuki is making constant efforts to continue to deliver products built for the satisfaction of users around the world, including users in the leading industrialized nations in Europe and North America, Japan, other nations in Asia, and nations in Africa and Central and South America. Drum brakes are equipped in both front and rear. Drum brakes are not easily affected by water, mud, and so forth. Use of a cassette-type oil filter makes for easier maintenance. Use of tube tires, which are highly common in various markets, helps make the repairs and replacement more convenient. High visibility indicator lamps are easy to read both at stops and while riding. The gear shift lever is the seesaw type, considering less damage for riders' shoes. Seesaw type gear shift lever can be operated by pressing down the lever for both upshifts and downshifts. The front section has a rubber cover around the operating shaft section for convenience if the rider chooses to shift by kicking up the lever. The rear suspension spring preload is 5-way adjustable to suit different purposes and situations. Behind the seat is a conveniently shaped rear carrier for transporting up to 3 kilograms of items. Switches designed for easy operation, both at rest and on the move. The seat is shaped to enhance a feel of close contact between the rider and the passenger by reducing to a minimum the height difference between the rider and the passenger sections.